Mwamira bito mirungi twenda kusimba no kwebaza ahabo kuba nitwe aha program Ensinganto elizoba turi Kabateraine Memorial Nursery and Primary School nishomero erikushango muri Mbarara ishomero eriragati y'etown ishomero eryokurano indango mwana wawazeyo kandi abeje bamuriseje nanyensi yeye ebenungi no mutwara Kabateraine Memorial School oyinitse Claire kandi elizoba twinire bingi Kabateraine Memorial School ubwa hati ne celebrating emyaka 30 existence ningashi okuyihana ritandika ekozire bikuru abana bashomireyo nabana bamani abana barugire Kabateraine no murebo hurira wa mwetenga mweno mzibe byonore programeji wareto mwana wa Kabateraine Memorial School chiwareto rukwefuza program Ensinganto ne ya Saturday shahisha zo mukasheshe mpaka harshahina reka turebe bingi ebiri Kabateraine Memorial Nursery and Primary School.
Kabateraine is an investment, it's a venture, it's a gift, it's a mission to commission one, a profession, an occupation, or a vacation. Kabateraine an investment. Come to Kabateraine, join a community of lifelong learners who Kanayo as soon as possible and stay in Kabateraine. Cause in Kabateraine, riches are hidden, wealth is covered, happiness is wrapped, joy is roofed, pride is veiled, peace is loaded, learning is easier. When you have an excellent instructor, knowledge is gotten. Kabateraine an investment. Wake up in the morning before the cock crows, tidying up myself. Rest to Kabateraine in cold and the rain. Rest to Kabateraine, still dark and dark. Throw to school. When you reach Kabateraine, settle and learn. The legacy lives on. Set up an area. Focus on your books to get that investment. Kabateraine an investment. Going to Kabateraine is an obligation. Kuacha watoto waenda shuleni, uwapeleke Kabateraine. It's not by choice, neither by chance. It's an inspiration and ambition. By your devotion and your passion, your admiration will meet your intention. For exciting extra curriculum, stop that. Ukamete tiambe, you are the problem of your own. Remember, the school is celebrating 30 years of existence. Now, join Kabateraine. You will save your future from rooming poverty. Whoever has ears, listen to the voice of the young. Your future will be as good as gold, as pure as snow. Invest in education, the economy will boom, development will zoom. We shall then sing songs of victory. Winner, 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 oh, winner, winner, we shall be the winners, winner. Kabateraine is always the best winner. Yes, Kabateraine an investment. To build our nations, come to Kabateraine, moja mbili tatu. Twende Kabateraine, mold our citizens. Stay in Kabateraine to get job opportunities. Complete from Kabateraine, quality education. Come to Kabateraine, it's an investment. Mwahura, time is now. Go to school, stay in Kabateraine. Sasa panalala, pick your tools. Uganda etajengwa, sasa tumesonga. Invest in education for the future to be bright. Ha ha ha, ha ha ha. This is the school we love for. Tata ha. Enjoy your blessings. Problems no ending. May I enjoy my blessings. Problems no ending. Jagala kusasanya, got my money, keep it balancing. Little things in me, my body, my body, listen to follow me. My God, my everything. It's all I need, all in as a checo. A team my jet, Kumina Checo. It's a camesa as a checo. Sina di manja. Enjoy your blessings. Problems not ending. Problems not ending. Walero, kama vyakore denye ndavyatula. Walero, siri zako siri kanye ndavyogera. Wanamemo mpesi peso, walero siri nasi pesi. Ono kwena zenga waza kuwaripe ya koveti fesi. Amenipa zote, zote, zote. Baraka zote, zote, zote. Enjoy your blessings. Problems not ending. May I enjoy my blessings. Problems not ending. Jaga kuwape, nase kuwape. Jaga kuwape, Yesu aliwamonande. Blessings every day, my body, blessings them follow me. My God, my everyday. It's all I need, all in as a checo. A team my jet, Kumina Checo. It's a camesa as a checo. Sina di manja. Enjoy your blessings. Problems not ending. May I enjoy my blessings. Problems not ending. Jaga kuwape, nase kuwape. Jaga kuwape, Yesu aliwamonande.
Kabateraine Memorial School ne celebrating emyaka 30 kwihana etandika. Sincerely speaking, noreba ngo emyaka 30 n'obwire buringwa munonga mwene bibakoziremu n'ebintu bikuru munonga na n'abana begiraha nabo sofa ntureba ngo n'abana ababira bo mugasho. Gumanitwe orebe bingi.
Come and see my mom.
Well, ninye tarimwa Elvin, ndiyo mukozi, ndiyo mushomesa Kabateraine. Kabateraine is the best school. Kuba, the difference between Kabateraine and Aganda Mashomero, hanu ya ntushomesa omwana, besides education, besides classwork, ntushomesa omwana, okwa kwetwaza, ntumushomeje emirimo y'emikono, nka baking, okutera musical instruments, aerobics. We do a lot of things here. So Kabateraine is the place to be. Celebrating emyaka ashatu in existence since 1993. And currently emyaka ashatejo nchimanse bintu bingi kubandi bingi abarabira mu Kabateraine bakafunamu bakabaje. So it's a school to be here. Tukusosora abana, twina abahindi, twina abasilamu, twine ki, tukubesinga dinemwe. We nurture a child holistically.
I'm Umpera Nicole. I am in grade 6 distinct.
Functions of the skeleton. It helps the body in movement and it helps in formation of blood cells. Now, this is the skull. It protects the brain from damage. This is the jawbone. It is where the teeth are attached. This is the spine. And here, in each side, there are 12 ribs. And in total, there are 24 ribs. They protect the heart and the lungs from damage. This is the pelvis. It protects the reproductive organs. This is the humerus. And this is the radius and ulna.
This is the femur, and it is the longest bone in the body. Here we have the kneecap. It acts as a shock absorber. This is the fibula, and this is the tibula. These are the tarsals. Tarsal bones. These are the tarsal bones, and that is all we had for you.
Ways of caring for the skeletal system by doing physical exercises,
by eating food rich in calcium,
and disorders of the skeletal system are dislocation,
fractures,
and also diseases are rickets.
My name is Natanya Nopal Makur. I'm in grade 6 Sunbird from Kabateraine Memorial School.
My name is Nansley Mariana. I am in grade 6 Sunbird from Kabateraine Memorial School.
My name is Katsime Jera, and I'm in grade 6 Sunbird from Kabateraine Memorial School.
Faint.
Hello?
Yes?
Doctor, there is an emergency at my place.
This is fainting. Fainting is the brief loss of consciousness. Fainting is a common accident. Causes of fainting: limited supply of oxygenated blood to the brain. Conditions that may lead to fainting: prolonged hunger, standing under too much sunshine for a long time, too much pain, shocking news. First aid for fainting: you have to raise the legs above the head. We do this so that oxygenated blood can flow faster to the brain.
My name is Melissa Donald. I am in grade 6 Sunbird, and my other colleague, let her tell your name.
My name is Ainemba Macklin. I am in grade 6 Sunbird from Kabateraine Memorial School.
We are here to talk about burns and scalds. What is a burn? A burn is an injury caused by dry heat. Then a scald is an injury caused by wet heat. These are degrees of burns. This is a first degree. A first degree is where this is the first degree. A first degree is where the skin starts to somehow. Then this is the second degree. It's where the blisters come in. Then the third degree, the blisters get off and the skin turns whitish and shinish.
I am here to talk about rabbits. Rabbit keeping is the rearing of rabbits. Reasons why people rear rabbits. There are sources of income, there are sources of meat, there are sources of fur.
My name is called Mangok Matur, and I'm going to talk about the rabbit hutch. This rabbit hutch is used to keep rabbits, and I'm going to name the parts. I'm going to say the characteristics of this hutch. This hutch has a strong roof, and it has a wire. It's made out of wire mesh.
Good afternoon. My name is Nimrod Fevershine, and I am the current head girl of Kabateraine Memorial School, 2023 to 2024. Our best school, Kabateraine Memorial School in all of Western region, is located in Chihindi Cell, Lugazi, Mbarara. It was founded in 1993 by our dear senior mentor, Mrs. Mary Francis Semambo. Our school has many hands-on skills like cookery, bakery, computer lessons, and field lessons. Many people have passed through this school, like engineers, doctors, even journalists. And the things I have seen in this school, it is best compared to what I have seen outside. They teach us more than what we can study outside. They teach us cookery, bakery, even that we have professional teachers in control, and we have practical lessons, field trips, many of them. For example, a trip to Lake Imbulo, a trip to Queen Elizabeth, many of those trips will happen in this school. And we are inviting you on 3rd December for Kabateraine at 30 celebration. The school will be making 30 years of existence, and our dear senior mentor will be making 60 years of existence. And I end by saying, long live Kabateraine, long live education, and long live Uganda. Thank you.
Nibagira nguno wahinga horo binabona inuka konka twaba turi Kabateraine Memorial Nursery and Primary School. Ishomereri nirisya emyaka 30 omu existence kwihanirivaho iwo muzire wareto mwana wa Kabateraine Memorial Nursery and Primary School. Ndatandikira habwa baby mpaka hakibina cyamshanjo. When it comes to P7 abana nabakora grades njimnonga omwana natungishwe merero rungi ryo kuzamu ya secondary kandi omwana wawe nyesya abamurungi abo wo mugasho torukubasa kwefuza umwana wawe kiyargamu. Ebire bishatu byo kwezi 12 niba celebrating emyaka yabo 30 kwihana batandika emyaka eje 30 bakuziremo bukuru ba grooming abana baba bo mugasho mweno muzire utakayifuza wabanoreto umwana wa Kabateraine Memorial Nursery and Primary School. Reka tubendeze sabit nungi wawaine Chakleya na nyine sose na kamera reka tubendeze izoba rungi. Nanakuzire ntomuzire wareto mwana wawe Kabateraine Memorial School torukwefuza ahaboko mwana wawe nyesya nabo mwana wo mugasho nabo mwana wo mutano eco rukuba no mwendeza nachikaho ahabo kuba ishomerere neritendeka omuri byona omu class ni bakora kurunzi twazo mu curricular activities nazo bazikora kurunzi mwene hati reka tuzaha primary section naho turebe bingi abana ebatebekanisize.